We are just about to head out and collect some seawater. We're gonna make some sea salt today, so come with us. We're just going to find a clear area in the water, if that's possible. Maybe we're overthinking things, but somewhere where maybe there's, I don't know, like just cleaner seawater? Is that a thing?
I don't think so.
I mean,
especially not after this storm that went by.
Yeah, we did wait a couple days because of the stormy weather. The water near the lodge was kind of murky and brown from all the dirt and debris kind of falling into the ocean. So we waited a couple days. It seems clear today for us to collect some seawater to make some sea salt. So I don't think that this water out here is as polluted as it would be in a city or near a harbor.
Well, it's just the current's so strong here. Nothing really stays in the same place unless it's on the bottom.
Yeah, so I think that we're probably safe with this water out here for collection.
What do we know? This is our first time doing it. We know absolutely nothing. So
yeah, the sea salt could turn out horribly.
We're just guessing.
That should be good.
Yeah, I think so.
All right.
I'm gonna put the lid on before this goes all over the place.
All right, we're gonna turn this into sea salt. Alright, so we were just outside and we collected all of this seawater and let's make it into some salt. I just have 2 plain coffee filters that I'm just going to use to filter it through in case there's like seaweed or dirt or sand, and I'm just going to run it through the filters. Sure. Okay, we're gonna use this instead. I see a little bit of floaties in there, so I think I'm just gonna refilter it through some clean filters. Now that the water is in the pot and we got the heat on, we need it to boil, and we need the rest of the water to evaporate. And I'll have to watch the salt pretty carefully as we don't want it to burn, so I'm gonna have to stir it once the water does start to evaporate. It's just starting to bubble right now. I can't really see the water, but it does look like it's evaporated about maybe less than an inch. Boiling for about, I want to say close to like maybe 2 hours now. It's taken a while, but now we're finally getting somewhere. I was really unsure that salt was actually going to form, but with all that water that we boiled, which was almost
10 liters,
it almost filled this pot. This is the amount of salt that we were able to make.
looks about half a cup of salt.
Yeah, maybe about half a cup. It's not usable just yet. We have to get all the moisture out of it, and then once it actually starts looking like salt that you see at home, because this is really clumpy right now, I think that we'll have to put it on a baking sheet and put it in the oven so that it'll just dry out even more, so that it's just really like crumbly. Whereas now it's just a bunch of clumps. But you can see it's starting to break up. We're getting there. We've gotten to a pretty good consistency. We got some salt. Fair amount. So I've just got a baking sheet with some parchment paper, and I'm just going to spread it out on that. This is what the inside of the pot looks like. I can't get the rest of the salt out as it's just like really stuck to the pot. So I'm just gonna soak this in some water, and I'm sure it'll be easier to clean. It is pretty much ready. Yeah, it's definitely a lot more crisp. It's definitely lost.
Dry?
Yeah. I mean, when I was touching it before, I could feel a lot of the moisture still, but
You think it needs any more time, or
no,
it's finished?
I think it's done. Wow.
Sea salt.
Cool. You can make your own sea salt.